Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. Here we will discuss 12th Physics, chapter number 1, Electric Charges and Fields. Last time we discussed electric force and superposition principle for electric force. Now here we are going to explain most important quantity of this chapter, electric field. So our question is explain electric field. Electric field is denoted by vector E. Now here we have system of two charges. First charge, that is capital Q charge. This charge is known as source charge. Another charge is small q charge. This charge is known as test charge. So this is our simple situation, simple system, and this is the description of this figure. Consider a source charge capital Q at the origin of coordinate system. So this is our origin, reference point of coordinate system, and the position vector of test charge, this is our test charge, its position vector is vector r. Now the electric force between capital Q charge and small q charge is given by, this is our equation of Coulomb's law. So vector F is equals to k q1 q2 upon r square into r cap. R cap represent direction. Okay, here we consider q1 is equals to capital Q. Capital Q means source charge. Q2 is equals to, here we use small q, it is called test charge. So our equation becomes vector F is equals to k capital Q into small q upon r square into r cap. Now here we consider force upon test charge. So here we write vector F divided by small q. Okay, so this is our small q. Okay, so F upon small q is equals to, we can write k q capital Q upon r square into r cap. This equation, either F upon Q or k q upon r square into r cap, this is nothing but this is vector E, and this is known as electric field. So this equation represent electric field of this capital Q charge, means source charge. Now remember definition of electric field. Here we have equation electric field is equals to F upon Q, means force per test charge. So this is our definition. The electric force acting on unit positive charge. So here we consider unit positive charge, means small q is equals to, we consider plus 1 coulomb. Okay, so electric force acting on unit positive charge at a given point, at a particular point. Okay, so this force per unit charge at given point is known as electric field. Now remember one more point, electric field is vector quantity and it is in the direction of force. So this is our capital Q charge, this is the direction of force from capital Q to small q charge. So this also gives direction of electric field. Okay, now you remember unit of electric field, we have equation force upon charge. Unit of force is Newton and unit of charge is Coulomb. So unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. Now remember most important point for positive charge and for negative charge. Suppose this is our plus capital Q charge. Capital Q charge means source charge which produce electric field, and small q is called test charge which is used to measure electric field. Okay, capital Q is called source charge, it is used to produce electric field, while small q is known as test charge, it is used to measure electric field at a given point. So capital Q is suppose positive. So for positive charge means q greater than 0, electric field will be directed radially outwards from the charge. So see this arrow very carefully. Here we consider electric field vectors directed radially outwards, and suppose we have negative charge, negative source charge. So for negative charge q less than 0, electric field vectors will be directed radially inwards to the charge. So here we consider electric field vectors. This arrow represents electric field vectors and these are radially inward to the charge. Okay, so for positive charge, electric field vectors will be radially outward, and for negative charge, electric field vector will be radially inwards. So this is your question of electric field. Okay, now prepare this question carefully. This is important quantity of this chapter. Thanks.